voice commands, which makes you talk like a human. You don't need to talk to the car like you do with Google or Siri or Alexa. So it's more seamless control of your car with Tesla voice commands, and that can control car settings, climate, navigation, media, all that. So a few examples here. So look at this. I just have to press the right scroll and tell the car I'm cold. See, the temperature increased by 1.5 degrees, so it's at 25 now. Okay. Take me to school, and you'll see the navigation will, the nearest school around my area, it will show me all the locations. Open Netflix. See, there you go. So we'll get out of there. So a new way to open, there were already 5 ways to open your charge port. Another new way now, you can say open charge port. Open charge port. And it opens up in the back. See, charge port open, battery shows up. And another cool one I found here is if you want to activate Sentry mode, you can even press it and say activate Sentry mode. And another way, you can say make it warmer. See, temperature increased again. Another way to increase your climate. What is it? Take me to burger. See, all the burger places in my area all showed up right here. So it's really cool, very easy voice commands now Tesla gives. While driving, you don't need to type in. You can even say drive home, it will. So all that good features are in the car.